What you see on your screen are two vectors, A and B. Now vector A, that is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and vector B, that is 9i cap minus 6j cap minus 3k cap. Now look at this angle. Yes, the angle between the vectors. Let's assume that this angle is theta, and we need to find the value of theta. So what do? We know that the angle between two vectors, vector A and vector B, that is cos inverse of vector A dot vector B divided by mod of vector A into mod of vector B. So how do we begin? Let's look at vector A. 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. So what is mod of vector A? That is simple. Square root of 3 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square. You simplify this and the expression becomes square root of 14. Look at vector B now. 9i cap minus 6j cap minus 3k cap. So what is mod of vector B? That is square root of 9 square plus minus of 6 square plus minus of 3 square, or simply square root of 126. What we now need to do is to find the dot product of the vectors vector A and vector B. Now how do you find the dot product of two vectors? Let's say vector A equals a1i cap plus a2j cap plus a3k cap, and vector B equals b1i cap plus b2j cap plus b3k cap. Then we have vector A dot vector B. This equals a1b1 plus a2b2 plus a3b3. So look at vectors A and B in this case. And we have vector A dot vector B as 3 into 9 plus 2 into minus 6 plus minus 1 into minus 3. Or simply 27 minus 12 plus 3 or 18. So what do we do now? We substitute these values in the formula for angle theta. So we get theta equals cos inverse 18 divided by square root of 14 into square root of 126. You simplify this and you get cos inverse of 18 divided by square root of 1764. Now square root of 1764, what is that? Nothing but 42. Now you simplify this fraction and you finally get theta as cos inverse of 3 by 7. And this means that the angle theta between the given vectors vector A and vector B is cos inverse of 3 by 7. So in this way we can find the acute angle between any two given vectors. The only formula to remember, that is for theta, and it is this. So do remember this formula.